everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm gonna show you how you are going to make a drawstring for a crochet bag. You see, you can use this drawstring technique that I make for big crochet bags, for small bags, for pouches like this, or for backpacks. Any bags you can use this drawstring, dear friends. It is very easy. I will show you how we are going to make it. For example, if you have this kind of crochet bag and if you want to make it drawstring, I will show you step by step how we are going to make it. Meanwhile, if you haven't yet subscribed my YouTube channel, I kindly invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info ring, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos. Thank you so much, dear friends, and let's go on how to make this drawstring. For this project, I will use some cotton yarn and a hook 3.5 millimeters. First of all, we are going to make chains, dear friends. These chains. For this reason, I am starting making chains. The length of the chains totally depends on the depends on the size of your crochet bag, dear friends. You are deciding about the dimension of the chain according by measuring it, by trying it on your bag. Yes, like this. We are making chains, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, I finished my first chain. It's been 39 centimeters. Of course, this is according to the size of my bag. I am making one more chain and I am cutting the yarn. Dear friends, the length of my bag is 10 centimeters. And I made this chain, this drawstring, 39 centimeters according to this bag. You will arrange it according to your own bags, dear friends. I adjusted it like this. When I try to length of the chain, I measured it like this. I did it like this. And I thought it is okay for me. If you like longer, you can make it longer, but for me, for my bag, it is okay, dear friends. Yes, I made one chain, but we will make another chain in the same length. Once again, we are going to make this chain. For this reason, I am taking my yarn again, and I will start once again making chains in the same length. There will be twins cord like this, dear friends. Okay, let's finish the second chain in the same length with the first one, and then I will show you what we are going to do. Yes, I finished the second cord as well. Now we have two cords in my hand. What we are doing, I am taking in my hand one of these cords, and I am taking my bag in my hand. First of all, I am doing like this. From the corner, we will start sliding the cord between the stitches. Like this, and then one by one, from the stitches, from the spaces of granny stitches, I will slide this cord, dear friends. For example, if your stitch is not like this with granny stitch, for example, if it is like this, then you can do it skipping some stitches. For example, you can slide here and then skip these three, and slide here, skip three, slide here. You can make it. But now mine is normal granny stitch. For this reason, I will slide the cord between the stitch spaces. Like this, I am doing, dear friends. You can also use the hook. And I came to the other side. What am I doing? I am skipping this side and taking it from here, dear friends. Like this. So it will not be visible this side. Like this, in the same method, I'm coming to the other side. And I am at the other side. And here. It's been like this. When you pull it, it's been like this, dear friends. You can make one side cord, one side drawstring, but I will make a double side like this. For this reason, we will use our other cord. When we start sliding cord between the stitches for this one, we use this side of the back. But for the second one, we will use the other side. We are going to start in the same way, but from the opposite side, not this side. When we slide the cord between the stitches, we started here, come here, turn back and come there again. But for the other one, we will make the opposite. For this reason, I am starting from the other side. Here, this one again, let me show you well. I will slide the stitch, I will slide the cord, and one by one, you can make it with your hands or you can use hook, it's no problem. If the spaces are big, you can make it only with your fingers, or if the spaces are not big enough, you can get the help of the hook. For example, I am inserting my hook in there. One by one, in each stitch space, I will slide the cord. I am using the same that I used the first one, dear friends. I'm not using a different space. I am sliding the cord in the same stitches. Now I am in the corner. What I am doing, I have to go to the other side. I am inserting my hook in there. One moment. One moment. First of all, it should be inside. I am here, this one. Now I have to go to the other side. What am I doing? Inserting my hook in there, in the same place. Yarn over, pull through like this. And I am going on sliding in the same stitches. Yes, I came to the side that I start, dear friends. You know, we started at this side, turned back and came here again. Now what we are going to do, first of all, I am inserting my hook in the space, sliding it there. I have to take it back. For this reason I am using this one. Okay, like this, dear friends. Two strips are here, strips are here. When you pull the both sides, it's becoming like this. Yes, dear friends, in the sides I will use wooden beads. If you have wooden beads, you can use like this, or if you don't have, you can just make a knot and you can finish it like this. I will use wooden beads, dear friends. According to the colors of my bag, I will use green and orange color wooden beads, dear friends. First of all, here I will take these beads and then the second one, I mean the orange color. Yes. Later on I will make a knot like this, and I will cut the rest of the yarn. I will slide the rest of the yarn between the stitches. And cutting like this. I will do the same thing for the other side, dear friends. Yes, as you see here, I put the beads at the both sides. It's really been very beautiful, dear friends. You are pulling the strips like this, and it's becoming like this. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you enjoyed this project. Hope this will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info ring. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.